To check your account balance on Jotform, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Jotform website and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Billing section. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Billing tab. This section contains all information related to your account balance and payment history. Step 4. View your account balance. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Review payment history optional. If you want to see past transactions, scroll down to the payment history section. Here, you can review all your previous payments and any adjustments made to your account. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Jotform. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to the support team for assistance.